Here I have BQ Aquaris X2 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to change language on this device. So first of all, you have to go to the settings, scroll to the bottom, select system, then you have to select language and input, languages, add a language. And here you have the whole list of languages you can set this device in. So let's select, for example, not this one for sure, maybe this one, and then you just have to put it on top like this, and that's it. Now you have your whole system set up in the Ukrainian language. So if you want to turn it back to English, you just go to the налаштування, система, мова та ведення, мови, and you just put English on top, and that's it. So thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.